What's going on, guys? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. As you can see, I got back into 3D printing thanks to Mr. Matt Electron Engineering and the Great Baldini. Over here is my 3D printer in this mess of stuff. Just printing some shrouds for the ASIC that we just received from muskminers.com. If you guys haven't visited them, go check them out. I will leave a link down in the description below. But this is going to be pumping some heat into my house. I'm going to incorporate this with my HVAC system to help for the wintertime. So that's that. We got a couple packages that we're going to open today. This was sent to us from the Geek of All Trades. He's a fellow content creator. Go check his channel out. He's actually hysterical and he does a lot of great content.
These things here are mining crypto. Application-specific integrated circuit, purpose-built machine that does one thing and it does it really f***ing loud. But what if you don't want the crypto that it's mining? What are you going to do?
And then I got a package from my man D-Miners. So let's open this package first and then we will get to this bigger box right here. I have no idea what's in this. It's in some waterproof bubble wrap though. Oh, you're sick. Dude, you're awesome, D-Miners. Sent me some Yeti stickers, some D-Miner stickers, and I got a D-Miners flag. Appreciate you, buddy. That's great, dude. I had no idea. I was wondering what the hell you sent me. I'm excited. Thank you so much. All right, let's get to this guy because I'm super excited to see what we got here. All right. Dude, he's so funny. He writes "and stuff," accessories and stuff. That's great. Jeez. All right, let's see. There's no chance I'm getting this thing out with one hand. This entire package was like 70 or 80 pounds. So give me a second. Let me get this thing out of the box. All right, big guy, I decided to hang your flag. You and Yeti are holding hands because I only had one more hook left, so I had to share that one. But I actually like it better because there's no space in between the flag now. So I might hang them like that all around. I got to redo these walls anyways at some point and do the floor. I got the stuff over there. Anyways, got the stuff out of the box. Now, this is a rack mountable server. It's called a Dell PowerRidge R730, I guess. It's a dual 28 core 72 thread processor with 250 gigabytes of RAM. So let's open this up and I want to check it out. But first, we got to open up this accessories and stuff box and see just what's inside because I haven't done that yet. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck so bad. Thanks for the pack of peanuts, you bastard. Oh, shit. Come on, man. I knew they were going to pop out of here too. Oh, hell yeah. Look at these. Are these stickers? They look like stickers. Oh, did you print these yourself? Dude, these are sick. That's awesome. Look how big those stickers are. That's amazing. Maybe I'll just put everybody's sticker on the top of this thing because that's massive. Dude, that's awesome. Hell yeah. What's this? Oh, another one? Dude, that's so cool. What is this? This is just to hold the stickers and it failed. Perfect. All right, let's see. So this, I assume, whoa, it's like a tray to slide the server out of the rack. That's pretty sick. All right. Cool, cool. Put that there. Grab that. Oh, man, I hate you so bad. You're the worst. Dude, the pack of peanuts are terrible. All right, I gotta get this thing out of here right now because this is gonna be a damn mess. So you're gonna go there, and I'll close it up after the video. But I want to check this guy out. So let me move all this and put it over here. All right, let's see. I think we're good. How does this come off? I've never messed with a server rack, or a server rather, for a rack. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this thing. Holy hell. That's unreal. So those are all the fans, I assume, that are easily popped out. What? What? Dude, that's so sick. They just plug right in. I've never seen anything like this, so I apologize if anybody's bored by watching me inspect this. This is unreal. I don't even know how to take this all apart yet. I haven't seen inside one of these ever, so I don't know where that's supposed to go. Is there supposed to be anything on this? Geek of All Trades, let me know. I have no idea. What is this? What is this? Let's see. I have no idea. telecom stuff maybe. It's like a smaller Ethernet port. And then there's Ethernet ports down there. Why is there 4 of them? Why do I need 4? I need 4 Ethernet ports this thing? Dude, what the hell's going on? All right, let's see. What we got? How do I get this thing off? This is the front. Oh, geez, I almost dropped that. That would have been terrible. All right, look at this. So it's got 8 hard drive spots. So the entire purpose of me actually getting this from him, oh, there it is right there, Power Edge R730. This is to run my Cumulus Flux nodes and possibly some other stuff like just a VM for like wallets and all that stuff, but I don't know yet. I'm going to mess around with it. I haven't had time to like dig into it just yet. So once I get this thing hooked up, once I get a server rack to put this in, that'll be very exciting to do. But man, I am super impressed with this. And I know he showed me a picture with the RAM showing. There's like a zillion sticks of that, but I cannot get into it. I don't know how to take this apart. And I don't really want to break anything. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to break something. All right, I'm not pulling that. But anyways, flag's awesome. This server is absolutely insane. So when I get to setting it up, I will obviously walk you guys through the entire thing. Another project for me. I still haven't even checked the hard drives on those freaking PCs that I need to check. These are from the dumpster. We found on a job site. Somebody just threw them out. They have 2 terabytes of hard drives at each one of them. So I do need to check those out very soon. And I got the RAM to be able to rebuild these for my kid and my buddy's kids, which is amazing. And then I took out, while we were on a little break right there, I ended up taking the L7 out of the crypto mining trailer because I completed the 24-hour Doge test on this guy to unmineable. And now I need to get this thing situated to actually pump some heat into my house. So I need to get this guy hooked up with 4 of these. I have the 3rd one printing now, and then we're going to be getting that into the grow tent, which I filled with all my tools, stupidly. But yeah, I have to figure out a spot for that. So I got to get the PDU hooked up back in here. I have an Ethernet cable already over here. The meter boxes that I have over here, right there, I took all the Drock meters out and put them in the crypto mining trailer, but all I have to do is land these back inside my panel in my studio behind this door, and yeah, I'll be able to get the PDU back up and live real easy in there. So I'm going to put the ASIC in the tent, and I'm hoping that it's not going to be a complete shit show, like noise-wise, but I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to see. Mini Doges are off. They were heating the basement. It's kind of warm today. It was warm yesterday, so I just have those off. And yeah, that's really it, guys. I'm super excited about this. Let me know if you guys have ever had any experience with any type of servers, like actual servers, because this is totally new to me, and I'm excited about it. But either way, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Appreciate you all. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
As a crypto miner, you know you want your equipment to be high quality. Proper cable management is part of your mining rig, and the Veteran Miner has you covered. The Veteran Miner cables are created with the best materials to ensure they are of the highest quality. Our cables are made of 16 gauge tin copper, ensuring another layer of protection from oxidation and corrosion. We have different colored cables carefully crafted to suit your mining rig needs. Glued heat shrink is used to firmly secure the ends on sleeving and wires. We ensure our crimped pins are up to manufacturer specifications with our calibrated machinery. Our wires also have a non-looping design for not only a clean setup, but also for avoiding wire bending. Our cables are 100% made in the USA. The Veteran Miner is forward-thinking, always looking for new products to bring you. We support our products with a 100% guarantee. What are you waiting for? Visit our website at www.theveteranminer.com and get the best cables for your mining setup.